Hello everybody, welcome back. Caren Goodrich here. I'm going to do a paint spin today on a 12 by 12 canvas. I'm going to get some white down first. I'm using my Happy Medium paint ready to pour, link in the description. Also, if you want to know more about my setup here today to do these paint spins, I have a blog on Substack called Practical Advice for Artists. Link in the description, check it out please. It's free, lots of info there. I'm going to put some color down first. Let's see, I'm gonna do a swipe before I spin, get something going in the background here. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just getting something down. Okay, now I have a little paper cup. I'm going to be doing some pouring the shape of a heart. So rather than pour out of a bottle, it's much more precision to pour out of a small cup. That's white. I'm going to put a little black in here just to see what happens. And pinch it so I get a nice point to pour with, and I'm going to do the shape of a heart, and I'm going to keep it kind of small. Okay, now let's spin and see what happens. Spin the other way. Pretty cool. What can I do here? I'm gonna have a little fun with this. This is nice and thick over here. Maybe I'll see if I can get a little more motion over on this side and follow the pathway that it started. There's no right or wrong here. You can play with this. Add a little more black to my cup. Just work on the shape a little bit. Maybe some down here. See if a little black will come out. Yeah, there's a mix of black and white. I'm going to spin it again, either direction. I try and spin it as hard as I can. It's a little hard to get some real speed, but if you can get some speed, you can quite often get some some flying paint action on your canvas, which is kind of cool looking, that you can't get otherwise. There it is. It's a little bit of a lopsided heart, but these points are really cool. There we go. Paint spin.